Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to use Google Classroom. It's a virtual classroom. You can find Google Classroom on Google by just typing Google Classroom or classroom.google.com, and you will end up on the page of Google Classroom where you have to log in with your Gmail account or the ID provided by your institution like school or college ID. Now, by clicking on the plus icon, which is on the extreme right of your screen, you can either join the class or you can also create a class. Now, if you wish to create a classroom, you have to provide all the necessary information like what will be the class name, what will be the subject name, what will be your section name, and your room name also. After filling all the details, like I have made a tutorial class for you, so I have written the class name as tutorial only. Then you can click on the create button and you will end up on your personalized classroom. So now you can share a unique class code which you can find by entering into the classroom, and now you can share the link via mail or you can also share it by copying the link on WhatsApp with others. So now you can communicate with the students and can give announcements to them, and in the classwork section you can also assign assignments to the students. Like if you want to create an assignment, then click on the create button and you can choose any kind of assignment. Like if you want to give any kind of quiz or other questions or any other type of assignment, you can create any type of assignment. You can also provide students with the resources and the materials so they can find the solutions also. After assigning the assignment, you can share it with your students by mailing those assignments on their Gmail accounts, and you can also provide comments to the student in the classroom. Thank you.